What's up, drivers? Atlanta, was it slow last week or not? Boy, that freaking spring break from public school was crazy, man. I barely caught my numbers. Barely. Now, I see the colleges on spring break. It wasn't that slow. Probably because it kind of separates. Different colleges go on spring break. But when public school go on spring break, it was crazy out there. But look, LYFT has taken over Atlanta. All right? Now, I was out there all week, but LYFT seemed a lot slower than Uber. I was going back and forth. I checked Uber, you know what I mean? They had surge. Check LYFT, no surge. One thing I learned about rideshare on platforms, when it's slow, your rides are this close, all right? I mean 1 minute away, 30 seconds away, 3 minutes away, 2 minutes away. When it gets like that and most of your rides are that close, that means it's very slow. But LYFT was just like that last week. I don't know how Uber was, but if I seen surge, it couldn't have been like LYFT. But even when it rained, Atlanta, it rained. No prime. Huh? No prime when it start raining out there? What? Man, it was sad. It was sad, but I reached my number, but it was ugly, man. When I tell you it was ugly, it was like we need 110 rides to reach our bonus. My rides that week, last week, was like $4 times 110. At night, all you do is see LYFT lights. LYFT kind of took over because they still have the rental cars. The bonus is always there for you every week. Or the drivers that lease, they want to reach the bonus. All right, so they're out there doing more rides. This causes Prime to just slow down a little bit. All right, and then the passengers now, they hit. They're doing LYFT and Uber. They are looking at LYFT and Uber to see what's the cheapest. And you know, when you pick up a passenger, sometime they will tell you, why Uber so high? I had to take a LYFT. Now that LYFT have all these drivers out here in Atlanta, they're gonna take most of the passengers now because it's cheaper. And the driver's always gonna drive because of that bonus. LYFT, I give it to you. Great strategy, good job. To me, LYFT took over Atlanta. Either way, Uber and LYFT, we all out there because the money's out there. That's why we out there. Be safe.
Terry Tips. Stay tuned to Terry Tips.